So we're on site today here at the Nantian Temple in Wollongong. Awesome view, awesome weather. But we have a bit of a problem. There's an ongoing leak that happens to be right below this grand staircase landing area here. And there's been a lot of work gone in to try and rectify it, and it's mostly resolved, but there's some lingering issues that no one seems to be able to find. So we've effectively created a custom experimental testing procedure that we're going to apply to this scenario and try and backtrace the origin of this particular leak. So let's get into it. So to kick off our diagnostics on this one, we're going to go to the external location, which is immediately adjacent to the leak, because often the most common source is the most obvious one. I don't think that'll be the case here, but we'll start from first principles and work our way back. So this platform open area here, we can see it's directly open to the sky, located directly above where we're observing the water ingress below here. So I can say that this area has been thoroughly waterproofed, water tested, everything like that. So there's a high degree of confidence. So what we're looking for is any areas where water might be able to bypass the edge of the waterproofing system and make its way below the membrane, track through our structure, and occur into the gift shop area below, which I'll show you now. Okay, so now we're just in the area below, just looking directly up into the ceiling cavity space where it's been removed. A little bit difficult to see from here. Reese is getting set up for the test, but there are actually some cracks in the concrete where we can see the water has dripped from the concrete structure, landed on our plasterboard here, and our plasterboard has been damaged, paint finish has been damaged, so this is what we're trying to resolve. Okay, you can see we're rigged up from below here. I'm going to climb up the ladder and have a look. Okay, can definitely hear a bit of gas hissing here. Not sure where that leak's coming from. I think it's coming through our tape here. That's okay, as long as we're able to put more gas into the crack than is seeping out here, we're definitely doing the right thing. So I'll see if I can seal that tape up a little bit better, help out the guys testing above. Okay, we got some testing. Looking for our gas that we're injecting up from the area below. Got to start at the most obvious location directly above. You can see we've got a stainless steel gutter in here. And our leak's pretty much directly below this as far as what we're observing on the inside, so hoping to pick up some gas coming up the reverse way that the water's flowing. And here it is. Had to give it a 30 seconds or so to get the reading, but we're on. You can hear the beeping up to 1.11. That's a solid, consistent reading. We've done this, taken it away 4 or 5 times at the moment, put it back. Reading like this appears pretty much every time. It does fluctuate depending on how much wind we have, unfortunately, but yeah, I'd say that's consistent.